On the evaluation for the academy, I think every academy is using their own evaluation process to evaluate the trainees. And there might be different exam papers, different criteria, and different percentages that we are looking at. Now, the success rate of every academy can be adapted accordingly, because if I make an exam paper for a student and I say the passing percentage is 75%, then only little people is going to pass. If I bring the pass rate down to 50%, then more people is going to pass. The idea is to uplift the knowledge of the student. I understand that. But to make the academy look good, you can't actually put that figure down there, because my academy's pass rate is 75%. His academy's pass rate is maybe lower, and then his success rate looks better than my success rate.
No, actually we're not considering, your scale is different than their scale, so you should not compare them. Not compare the thing. Our evaluation for the academy based, as I said previously, based on your academy setup, based on your training program, based on your knowledge of experience of your trainer, and one more thing, based on trainees value. Like for example, some of our partners, they send almost to the people who just only to train them without getting any benefits from them, like for example marketing or sales. Some other country, like I'll give example Iran. We're supposed to receive so many people from Iran in our academy. Almost of them they are VIP, or almost of them are decision maker. So this kind of training is valuable. But other ex-partners send us side engine. That people cannot decision maker. They don't do anything for our business. So at the end we don't get too much benefits from it. This is also, in my mind, this should be evaluation for that. So later on we can put some strategy for Middle East and Africa to evaluate the academy, not only in one line, different lines. So, and the total at the end we can get, okay, this is a list academy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not only result only.
That is my point.
Yeah, this is
I think we must standardize certain points with regards to evaluating the academy.
There is a plan, next step actually after this forum actually to control all the academy in Middle East and Africa and to evaluate and also to share best practice from your side to the other side during the year. So we try to update or upgrade our knowledge on our academy level to be in the best academy in the world, our LG Academy. My vision to be in the academy, the best academy in the world. So we will try to do something in the next future. Let us say in December. Okay? Okay, let's try.
My name is Charles Obuche. I'm a mechanical engineer from Kenya, and my colleague is Mr. Denium. He's also with us in the academy training. As you well know, the Nairobi Academy is still very new, and we intend to have our opening ceremony maybe sometime towards the end of this month or early next month. So to begin with, I'd like to come to the MEA Academy hosting us for this forum. It's very useful to us because by coming here I've learned so much, and I'm hoping we'll have maybe more of these seminars for us to continue learning and getting to know each other. And also for us to know how to conduct the business in the best way for the development of LG. So I'm also very grateful to you, team members, for giving us the support, especially with regards to material for training, and also with regards to product information. It has been really useful to me, and I believe I'll be able to put it into best practice for the advancement of LGF. So let us begin. So to begin with, this was the content that was sent to us, and this is our organization structure. As you can see, as of last year, we only had 3 persons in SC, but as of 2010, we have new members. Our head officer is the marketing manager, who is reporting directly to the director, the president of LGF. And we have engineering department, sales engineering. We also have technical and service. And we also have new business. In which year we have solar and lighting, solar and LED lighting, and also we have marketing department. Those 4 major departments in LGF. As for sales engineering, for Nairobi we have about, we have 4 engineers, as you can see. I'm one of them, and Mr. Yun is also one of them. We also have 2 others in Nairobi. And for our Khartoum region, for Sudan, we have 1 sales engineer as of now, and we need to recruit 1 more engineer. More urgent issues have been indicated in the red box. So for Nairobi, we urgently need a A2B manager as of now, and also for technical and service, especially in Khartoum, we also need one technician, and also we also need a trainer for the Khartoum Academy, which is almost complete. We also require 1 sales engineer for BRMS in Nairobi. I think I'll move to the next slide. This is organization structure which I've described in the previous slide. So I'll move to the next one. So these are the academy trainers, the profile. Once the academy is staff operations, we intend to utilize the following staff in the training services in the academy. As you can see, our marketing manager, will be offering a training course in marketing. And also we have all these other 5 engineers who will be offering technical support and training in the academy. We also intend to put our training program to follow the MEA structure. So here we intend to offer construction management, air conditioning application. We intend to offer multi-V courses, CSA design. We also intend to offer supervisor course and the service course, as you can see. And also we intend to offer air conditioning, basic theory, and basic technology, technicians and installers. We also offer engineer course. Here we cover university students, as you can. The SC Academy in Nairobi is very close to the University of Nairobi. Very, very close, after the walking distance. So we intend to support the University of Nairobi Mechanical Engineering Department by encouraging the students to pursue air conditioning by giving them basic HVAC course, HVAC service and maintenance, and also we give them introduction to AC system design. And we believe that by the end of this support to them, they'll be more knowledgeable, more experienced, and also aware of LG products, which is very important. We also intend to offer course on